Hello lovelies, welcome to Jo's Kitchen Capers. Today I want to show you this really great chicken, turmeric and ginger bone broth that I make. Let's go. So let's take the lid off to begin with, and we're adding 100 grams of carrots, 100 grams of celery. I've got some beautiful ginger and some fresh turmeric. That is all that's going in. We're not adding the brown onion, so I've got 100 grams of celery, 100 of carrot, the turmeric and the ginger, and that is just going in. And we're going to chop it for 2 seconds on speed 5. I love how quickly it chops these veg. Adding our bay leaf and our peppercorns, checking those off, and then we're adding the soaked chicken feet. They've been soaked in that whole quantity of water with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for 30 minutes. It just helps draw out that collagen. Add the liquid and the feet, check it off. Just make sure here you haven't gone over that maximum level with your liquids, and we're going to cook it for 90 minutes, 90 degrees, soft stir, and it's on reverse. 90 minutes later, you've got this beautiful turmeric and ginger bone broth packed with chopped collagen. So we're just going to strain it through a sieve to remove the solids. And then it's just going to remain out of the fridge for a while. You don't want to be putting something so hot in the fridge. So we're just going to leave it till it cools a little, and then you can leave it to cool in your jar and then refrigerate it, ready to use however you want it. You can use this in soups or stews anywhere, or any savoury dish that's requiring water. You could replace it with broth. Heck, you could even put it in a smoothie because we haven't used the onion. Here it is. You can see on the top there, we've got this layer of fat. Now, you can easily scoop that off. Just get your spoon in there, and that will come off easily. Look at this. It's absolutely amazing. And that is the difference of using those chicken feet. You won't get the same results from using the wings or the winglets. The extra benefits not only of all the collagen in this, and you'll see what a difference that makes using those feet instead of using a carcass, or instead of using the chicken wings as suggested in the recipe. It just, you've got all that collagen coming out of those chicken feet, and it's just a lot more beneficial to the body, and it's got better healing properties, as well as we've got the added benefit in there of that turmeric and the ginger, which of course are great for anti-inflammatories. So hope you'll try it and let me know in the notes below if you do, and stay tuned for Jo's Kitchen Capers for our next caper. Ciao for now.